Gold. It is considered one of the most precious metals in the world. Certain heavy chemical metals, gold, silver, platinum, lead, or uranium, were created in the space. It might happen either by the supernova explosion or the collision of two neutron stars. However, gold is shiny, glamorous, and glossy colors. Welcome to Facts of the Fact. Colors of the gold. Caratage is the measurement of purity of gold alloyed with other metals. 24 karat is pure gold with no other metals. Lower caratages contains less gold. 18 karat gold contains 75% of gold and 25% of other metals. It often copper or silver. In the modern jewelry market, we normally see three kinds of gold: yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. These different colors depends on the metals used in the alloy mixture. Yellow gold is naturally occurring and is the purest form of the metal. For jewelry, it is made into an alloy by combining pure gold with metals such as zinc or copper, which gives the yellow color. White gold is mixed with palladium or nickel to give it a color close to silver or platinum. Rose gold is an alloy including about 25% of copper, which gives it a pinkish color. Some of the quick facts why gold is unique. Gold is edible. Gold can be added to food gifts such as fruits and sweets. There are many variations of liquors throughout the world that include gold leaf. Gold can also be found as an ingredient of some medicines. We have different carat weightage in gold. It can be 10 or 12 or 14 or 18 or 22 or 24 carat. The higher the number, the greater the purity. The word gold comes from the Old English word gialu, which is meaning yellow. The world's first gold vending machine was unveiled in May 2010. It is located in an ultra luxury hotel in Abu Dhabi. The vending machine itself is covered in 24 karat gold. Absolute pure gold, which is 100% gold, is so soft that it can be molded with our own hands. Gold is chemically inactive and it is not affected by air, heat, or moisture. Aerophobia, which is a disease where the infected person has the fear of gold. Yellow gold. Usually when we talking about the gold jewelry, we will be referring to yellow gold. Yellow gold is naturally occurring and it is the purest form of the metal. For jewelry, it is made into an alloy by combining pure gold with metal like silver, zinc, and copper. Rose gold. It is also known as a pink gold or red gold. It is a result of alloying pure gold with copper, as copper has a red tinge to it. The shade of rose gold can also vary greatly depending on the proportion of copper blended with the gold. The greater the content of copper, the redder the final color is. A common combination in jewelry for rose gold is 75% of gold mixed with 25% of copper. But before buying white gold or rose gold, it is that since gold must be combined with other metals to transform its color, it is impossible to achieve pure, which is 100% or 24 karat white or rose gold. So keep it in mind before buying white gold or rose gold by knowing that it is not 100% pure. Green gold. It is also known as electrum, which is mixed with gold, silver and sometimes with copper also. Silver is what gives the gold alloy its greenish coloring. Green gold was used by an ancient people as long as 860 BC under the name electrum, which is a naturally occurring alloy of silver and gold. It actually appears as greenish yellow rather than green. The alloy of 75% of gold, 15% of silver, 16% of copper and 4% of cadmium creates a dark green alloy. Grey gold. It is usually made from gold and palladium. A cheaper alternative which does not use palladium is made by adding silver, manganese and copper to the gold in specific ratios to get this grey color. Black gold. It is another type of gold used in jewelry. Black colored gold can be produced by a couple of methods. Oxidation by applying sulfur oxide based compounds in one way, and another is the controlled oxidation of gold containing chromium or cobalt. A range of colors from brown to black can be achieved on copper-rich alloys by treatment with potassium sulfide. Cobalt-containing alloys, that is 70% of gold with 25% cobalt, form a black oxide layer giving the gold a black coloring. Copper, iron and titanium can be also used to get such an effect. Finally, blue gold. It is an alloy of gold and either gallium or indium. A gold-indium alloy contains about 46% of gold, it's about 11 carat, and 54% of indium, forming an intermetallic compound with a rich blue color. With gallium, gold forms another intermetallic which has slighter bluish hue. A rich blue colored gold of 20 to 23 carat can also be obtained by alloying with ruthenium or rhodium.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like the video, share to your friends and subscribe for future videos.